In today's video, we bring you a directory, a go-to, if you will, for cheap stuff, free stuff. You want to get stuff, get your filthy hands all over it for nothing, you cheapskate. Making a video for all the cheapskates, for the cheapskates. You want the free stuff, wanting the free stuff. We'll give you the free stuff. Too cheap to join the Filmmakers Club. Here's another video. You don't get a rub.
They don't want a rub. You sound angry.
No, I don't mind. I'll give them to them. Give it to them. Let them have it for free, AJ.
All of it?
All of it.
Well, most of it's not ours.
You can have it. Take it. Take all the free stuff.
Can you give things that aren't yours? So this video is for you cheapskate filmmakers out there.
That's it.
The YouTubers that have no money, like us. The ones that don't want to spend a penny. They don't even want to sign up to our Patreon.
No.
Wait until the end. You will then.
You will. Because we're going to convince you by sharing with you some of our wisdom in the things that we've learned in accumulating free stuff.
So basically places where you can find stuff for free that will make your videos better, like sound effects, music, LUTs, even like overlays, those kind of assets.
Take it, don't feel bad about it, take the video, consume it, leave a thumbs up, and then look at the links below, especially for Patreon where we get paid.
Big money!
Rolling in it.
So I suppose we should just jump straight in there.
Sorry,
We're supposed to turn it off.
Weird. Pete, it's me. Hello? Yeah, future Pete. Okay. Look, I know you're going to be confused and forget that Muppet. You know what he's gone and done? He's put you in a future overlay. I'm in an overlay. I'm you in an overlay. AJ did it. You're in one? Yeah, mate, you're not going to like what he's done next. What do you mean what's coming up next? I'm just warning you. If I was you, I'd clout him. What? Yeah, I'm going now. Yeah, bye. He's gone. Huh. What's coming up next?
Did you put a camera in the toilet?
Not in the... no.
So there's that. You could have weird pervy CCTV camera look. Future FaceTime, which will spin. I'm still a bit confused.
Yeah. I mean, there's a couple of examples of great free overlays.
You can also have this really cool VHS look. 80s.
Have you got anything for like, I'm flying a drone and I want it to look like surveillance footage?
Yes. Luckily enough, I do.
What's the chances of that?
Yeah, see, it's green, like night vision.
Ooh, I like it. My favourite, if you want your video to look like you're having photos taken...
Why would you want...
It's like an autofocus. Watch this. Watch.
I'm confused. Why would you want your video to look like a photo anyway?
It's just an option.
So far, we've seen some overlays that are pretty useless.
So, if you like useless stuff as an overlay for your video, and you got value out of the first part of our video, keep watching because we have got more.
Yeah, I'd say the next great bit of value that we can offer is sound effects, where you can find free sound effects to make your videos more
cinematic.
You're looking at the keyboard going, I don't know how to get that clunky effect. You know, I'm hitting away on the keyboard, but the sound you really want is like this.
Let me try. So, replacing real sounds with great Foley or sound effects will really add production value to your videos. Things like this massive bass drop. How about that?
I want to do the massive bass drop line, and you know what I'm like for bass. I like the... But it's not just bass. It's things like someone's in a bad mood and they're slamming the door. So you adjust the music levels, and in that moment...
Should we try again? Just try another one. It works. You just got to believe.
You're in the middle of doing something, there's a disturbance. and it's the doorbell, but it's only faint. But for the sake of the video, you want to amplify it with a great sound effect. Well, we've got you, because in that moment, right,
Interesting.
every time I'm trying to show the importance of sound effects and how they add value.
They know now, they've seen it.
There's a baseball, it's been thrown through the window, and then all of a sudden there's a... Right, if you're going to do this to every single one, you're ruining the
I'm not doing it,
emphasis.
it's you that's doing it. I'm not in control of any of this. It's just happening. I mean, I don't even know who edits these videos.
What I'm trying to do is emphasise the fact that sound effects can cheapen your video when done wrongly, and it's the wrong sound. But when you get it right,
It does this. Massive bass.
well, the next big thing is post-production, you know, and you're working on your footage. We're working now through LUTS. How to get that footage popping on the screen.
And free LUTs are what cheapskate filmmakers like you want. And you. But if that's not enough for you and you still want more free stuff...
You mean this LUT that just dropped?
That's what I meant, yeah.
So this LUT is the sort of thing for you.
Yeah. And this one. This one.
Ooh.
This one.
They're a bit quick.
This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one.
I'm trying to take in the colour changes.
Back to normal. So you can get all of those for free. I think it's the fourth part of this video. It's integral.
Yeah, I mean, you've probably been thinking about joining a squad that's not about watermelons, that's about filmmakers.
It's really the best place to get free music for your video.
It's very rubbish, just like him. Look at his guitar and hear me sing. That's the Watermelon Squad. Do you want to do one for the Filmmakers Club?
I only know one song with ukulele, so it's going to be kind of similar.
Okay. Another song, exactly the same. This one has got a different name. It's called the Filmmakers Club. It's so cool. It's got lots of free stuff.
That's right. The Filmmakers Club, hashtag Watermelon Squad,
Yeah.
is the next place to get free stuff. It's kind of not free. There's a small fee, but
It's like a coffee.
like a coffee, and then you get access
Yeah.
to up to 700 royalty-free songs, copyright-free for any video you make at all. Sorry. So, join it.
I feel we've rinsed you for watch time, so if you want to switch off now, you can.
I want to switch off now. See ya.
Filmmakers Club is not so lame. Even got a better name. Filmmakers Club is really cool. It's not boring like in school.